keep her from harm, always there to guard her. He made her his princess, he made her his star. She never thought she'd fall in love with a prince who played guitar. This love is our love that we'll share together. We'll live a real life fairy tale forever. This is a storybook, storybook, storybook of love. Storybook, storybook, storybook of love. Storybook, storybook, storybook that we'll share together. He came to her riding on his white horse. He took her to his castle. She didn't need to be rescued, but he makes her feel so special. She's in pain, he shows up to save the day. He played a beautiful song, he knows how to serenade. He made her his princess, he made her his star. She never thought she'd fall in love with a prince who played guitar. This love is our love that we'll share together. We'll live a real life fairy tale forever. This is a storybook, storybook, storybook of love. Storybook, storybook, storybook of love. Storybook, storybook, storybook that we'll share together.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess from a magical land. She spent most of her days caring for others. One day, a handsome prince came, and she realized that something